Once more, welcome again to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to cultivate yam. This red white sweet yam. In Africa they mostly call it sweet yam. So it's very good. You just like when you prepare it, when you boil it, you just start eating. And most people in Africa will know about this sweet yam. So as people can see, guys, when you move your seed, this is how you go and first keep it in such so that it should move the stem, so that it should start pushing, so that you may plant it for a new season. So this is the period that we usually plant it. As you have seen, it have started coming out like this. So I'll be teaching you how to plant sweet yam on your farm. So follow me. If it's your first time on my channel, just go on the link below, on the link below, subscribe, so that you'll be getting more detail and more theories and more guides on agricultural product and more information. So today, this morning, I'll be teaching you how to plant your sweet yam. So this, first of all, when you reach in your farm, you have cleaned your farm like this. We started to plant some. This I already started planting some. We started like cultivating some, but I said that while doing the last one, I'll show you guys on my channel how to cultivate it. So this is the one that we planted last week. You guys can see it's already shooting out. This is how normally when you shoot out, then you will start putting, you will mulch it and put your stick there, because if you don't choke a stick there or pin a stick there, it won't produce well. So when it's at this stage, you just have to leave it. So in any of my videos of this season that we're planting our sweet yam, we're going to be planting 3 yam this year. So if you're interested in agriculture of yam, just subscribe to my channel. Just subscribe so that you'll be getting more detail and more information on it. So you guys, as people can see, we'll be planting 3 yam in this season. This is the sweet yam. We'll be planting water yam, and after we'll be planting calabar yam. So I'll be showing you the different types of yam that they mostly plant in Africa. So, but today we'll first start with sweet yam. First of all, when you come with your seed, or when you buy your seed from the market, or you can extract your seed from any of your farm production that you make. So in case, I'll be showing you the step-by-step as how you will know how to cultivate your yam. So first of all, you first hold your hoe and dig, soften the place that you want to put the yam, because this yam, sweet yam, mostly grow but up. So when you first soften it, make sure to soften it very well. Then you go again, you soft another one. You give a distance, because you're going to be mushing it, so that the head should not be showing outside, because immediately the yam starts showing outside, the yam will spoil. So you have to put it right inside, not too much inside. When you soften the place that you will plant the yam, so that the root should penetrate, because sweet yam, when producing, he goes but up. So they plant sweet yam looking up, so that in such that the yam will be developing while going but up. It's not like calabar yam that penetrate by the soil. This one come out but out through the soil. So by when area that you have softened it, you just have to put the head should be looking down, and the upper part should be looking up, because you have to come and be mushing it time by time and keep it clean. People see these are the eye that are shooting. This is it. When it starts shooting, that means that it's already ready to plant. So you can be planting 2 when you soften it. So we're going to be taking another one to plant the next one. People guys can see as the eyes them are already shooting this to show the sign that it's already ready to start to plant, so that you process the stage of germination and to be growing. So as how you are pressing it like this, be careful so that it should not go. When you finish like this, you are going to be putting your small manure on it. So I'm going to go and search my manure. to come and put it. As you guys see this one them that was plant. So the need of putting manure is that it should have a nice beginning and a nice starting. So that's why we usually put our manure first, so that it should germinate well and come out well. And manure helps to soak the soil. Manure, not too much manure, but mix a lot with enough of sawdust in such to soften the area, because he loves when the area is soft for him for the germination. So actually, you just put your sawdust on it so that it should cover the manure mixed with sawdust, so that it should just like soften his area, so that it should make the coming out, the germination out should be a little bit faster for him, because this yam don't like strong soil. When the soil is too hard, it don't grow a lot. So when doing like this, you have to make sure that you come and be mulching it. So you guys, your first time on my video, just subscribe so that you'll be seeing the next step as I will be mulching it, as I will be sticking it, because after this we have to be sticking it. So you get a lot to be learning here. So actually, this is how you plant your sweet yam. When you plant it like, you just leave it for the germination process. Thank you.